Welcome. If you're looking to brighten up your browsing experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable light mode on Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all your internet adventures, so make sure it's up and running. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. These dots represent the menu, and clicking on them will reveal a drop-down list with various options. Now, scroll down to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize many aspects of your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click on Appearance or directly search for Theme in the Settings search bar. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks. Finally, it's time to make your choice. Click on Theme and you'll see several options. Select Light to switch from dark to light mode. This will instantly change the appearance of your browser, giving it a fresh and bright look. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled light mode on Google Chrome. Enjoy your new browsing experience with a clean and vibrant interface that's easy on the eyes during those bright days. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to brighten their browsing too. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.